Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be looking at the American Lock 1100 series. This is the key bitting. Upside down. There we go. Lock works perfectly. Alright, let's see if we can't get it open. See what's inside. Yeah. 50,000th pry bar with the monkey paw from Sparrows, my favorite. Alright, one's binding. Got a little click out of him. Another click. One more, he feels set. Okay. Two's binding. Okay. 3 is binding. 4 is loose. 5 is loose. 1. We got another click out of 1, 2. 1 click. 2 clicks. Let's see if we can get one more. Nope, he doesn't want to go. 3 is stuck. Alright, 4 and 5 is still loose. So I messed up something. Another click out of 1. I think I might have overset. Yeah, I think I overset 2. Let's try it again. 2 is loose. 3 is stuck. There we go. 3 feels set. 4 and 5 are loose. 1 binding. Got 1 click. 2 clicks. Go to 2. 1 click. 2 clicks. Default set. 3. Still stuck. Alright. 4 got a little bit of cord movement out of 4. Okay, I'm on 5. Got counter rotation. Alright, oh, I'm slipping. Okay, so 5 is set. 1 feels good. 2 is stuck. Alright, there we go. Hit 3 and got a little bit, so counter rotation on 3. Oh no. I think I overset 3. Oh, there we go. Let it drop back down. We got the open. Huh. Almost messed it up twice in a row. Alright. Got her open. Let's move the camera. Okay, let's get it gutted. Okay, got the Phillips head down the shackle. Okay, trouble that out. Then okay, put this all back where it goes. Slide that up. Here we got the core. Alrighty. You wipe my hands off, I'm sweating. You guys make me nervous. Alrighty. The clip in the back. Homemade plug follower. make sure this is set up right. Okay. There we go. Okay, that's one. That's two. Three. That's four. And five. Okay, let's see what we got out of the core. Okay, that's five. Four. Three. That's one. And two. Let's get these set up. All right. So we have a lot of serrated, only 2 spools in there, but 4 out of the 5 key pins are also serrated. And it's a fun lock. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. Thank you. Have fun.